All stations, Mumbai Control, how do you read?
Radio 5, Victor Tango, Victor India Romeo.
Radio 5
Radio
Victor Tango
5 Victor
Sierra Echo
Tango
Hotel.
Hotel Charlie.
Ahmedabad Control, Radio 5 Victor Tango Alpha Kilo Charlie.
Radio 5 Victor Tango Mike India Echo.
Radio 5 Victor Tango Mike November Romeo.
Radio 5, how do you read? Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Hotel.
Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Hotel, Mumbai Control, Radio 5.
Radio 5 Victor Tango Charlie.
5 Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Hotel.
Radio 5 Victor Tango November India Sierra.
Radio 5 Victor Tango Juliet Alpha Yankee, how do you read?
Victor Tango Juliet Alpha Yankee, Mumbai Control, Radio 5. So very good evening to everyone.
Mumbai Control, how do you read? Victor Tango Charlie Delta Golf.
Victor Tango Charlie Delta Golf, Mumbai Control, Radio 5. All right, guys, one thing you need to understand when we are simulating a live ATC environment with so many aircrafts associated, I being the ATC, and we all are talking to each other on the same frequency. If somebody else is talking to me, you cannot transmit. Even in real aircraft, you will see many people will be talking to ATC together, but they cannot. Whoever starts talking to the air traffic controller first, he or she has the frequency. Unless the channel is open, you should only transmit when nobody else is transmitting. Remember that and try to practice that here also. I heard 3 to 4 times that 2 people were talking at the same time. Don't do that. If you please focus on listening. If somebody has just transmitted a millisecond before you also, then let that person finish. Let there be silence and then you transmit. And how will we simulate the push to talk button as it is in the aircraft? By you muting yourself, and whenever you want to transmit, you will just temporarily unmute yourself. So whenever mute, if you're using your laptop, spacebar key is the key that you can press to keep yourself unmute. If you release spacebar, it becomes mute again. So that is exactly how PTT works. And if you're using a mobile phone or a tablet or something like that, then you'll have to unmute, speak, and then press mute. Practice that, all right? If I'm talking to an aircraft and if somebody else is saying in between, then that is known as interference. The Q code for interference is QRM. Remember that, everyone. QRM. We'll be using that. All right. So how is everyone? What's happening? Did you guys revise, study, go through your notes, go through previous lectures that you had missed? What's the update?
Affirm Vector Tango Mike Papa November.
Everybody write down in chat what's the status. Have you all, are you on speed with the sequence of lectures? Today is lecture 5. Has everybody gone through from lecture 1 to lecture 4? There are recordings also available. Drop me in chat whether you have gone. If not, just name the lectures that you have confirmed. Use the chat option. You might have done 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, I need to know what you have done and what you have not done. And I see only 5 students have kept their camera on. It's a live classroom, guys. Nice to see you, Amit. I think I'm seeing you for the first time. Nice to see familiar faces. Just to keep it a little light on humor, Jose, you look like a Don sitting in Dubai to me with this angle and the darkness. I like the style. Jay, seeing you after a long time. No, it's okay, Jose. No problem.
I will adjust there.
No problem. It's cool, you know. I like the vantage point.
Oh.
Nice to see you, Hussein. Jay, please speed up yourself with the lectures. The recordings are sent. Today, what I'll do is I'll send a separate email, email giving links to recordings for all lectures 1 to 5 in sequence in the same email. And the attachments, you will see the links are there in a sequence in the attachment also, including this session. Nice to see you, Shehzad, after a long time. So I'm just taking names of people who are like, you know, that moon that we get on Eid. Others are like an asteroid for me. I just not seen them since so long. Alpha Sierra Victor, nice to see you. Or a Halley's Comet, not asteroid, but comet, yeah. 173. Once in 70 years or something, right? Nice to see you, Victor Tango Charlie Delta Golf. Papa Delta uniform has been joining us. Good. All right, very nice. 50% success. Not bad. Okay, good. In between, if you face network issues, you can disconnect. After our initial introduction and seeing faces and some revision, you can always, you know, go offline, online, come now and then. It's not necessary you have to always be. But one of the main reasons why the videos help is so that I can see whether you're focused or not. Or sometimes students are laying on the bed, munching chips and studying and all. That we can, you know, postpone till the time our session is over. All right. Victor Tango Mike India Echo, lecture 4. Where do you stand on lecture 4? Just speed up. I see lecture 1, 2, 3. All right, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Hotel. Victor Tango Charlie Delta Golf, just try to adjust your network in case you have issues. Guys, whenever my readability falls below 4, let me know via chat. 2-3 people at a time so that I know the issues from my side. If only one of you all is facing them, probably it is from your network end, so you can fix that. Sierra Echo Hotel, please speed up. We are expecting examinations to happen soon. So this series of lectures 1 to 4, 1 to 5 is really very important for you to understand everything from exam point of view as well as knowledge. All right, Victor Tango, Victor India Romeo, try to keep up as much as you can in your free time. Learn to manage both. It will help you in future also. All right, good. Victor Tango, Kilo Tango Tango, nice to see you. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Victor Tango, Mike Alpha Yankee, I would like to see you, you know. All right.
Mumbai ground, Victor Tango Alpha November Sierra.
Victor Tango Alpha November Sierra, Mumbai ground, radio 5. Sierra Victor Papa.
Affirm.
Good evening, Foxtrot Whiskey Golf. Good evening, Romeo Sierra Kilo. Nice to see you. Shazad again. Okay. Very nice, guys. Alpha Sierra Victor, good evening. Alpha Kilo Charlie is here. Mike November Romeo, good evening. Great. All right, so let's go ahead. Roger on the bandwidth, guys. Okay. As long as you can hear me, let's go ahead with it. So one of the most important aspects of a navigator, of a pilot, and of your RT exam is to understand how to read charts. And these charts are your accurate representation of the earth or the ground below, which determine how you have to fly, where you have to turn, where you have reached. Now, one of the most important elements of becoming a good pilot is to be aware of your position when you are in air. And how do you become aware of your position? You have a lot of instruments that help you determine your position. But there are 5 standalone instruments or equipments which are enough for you to conduct a safe flight. First is eyes. Second is brain. Third is stopwatch. Fourth is charts. And fifth is magnetic compass.
Radio 1, Victor Tango Sierra Victor Papa.
Guys, let me know in chat. All right. I'll say again, there are 5 standalone instruments that can easily enable you as a pilot to determine your position and fly safely from your departure point to your destination point. And these 5 instruments are the eyes of the pilot, the brain of the pilot, a stopwatch, charts, and magnetic compass. Please fix it in your mind, everyone. Remember, these 5 things are enough, out of which eyes and brain you'll always carry with yourself. A stopwatch is something you should always keep with yourself. Navigation charts is something that you should not fly without. And a magnetic compass, which is a stand-alone direction indicating instrument. Let's do a quick radio check. Victor Tango Sierra Sierra Kilo, Mumbai Control, how do you read?
Mumbai Ground, Radio 5. Victor Tango Sierra Sierra Kilo.
Victor Tango Papa Romeo Alpha, Mumbai Control, how do you read?
Radio 5, Victor Tango Papa Romeo Alpha.
All right. Guys, if I call myself Mumbai Control, then you also say Mumbai Control. Focus on listening. If you're making the first call, you can call me Ahmedabad Control, Mumbai Ground, and others. If I am representing myself Mumbai Control, so you should address me as Mumbai Control, everyone. Remember that. Nice to see you, Victor Tango Papa Romeo Alpha. Thank you. After a long time. Victor Tango Sierra Echo Hotel, please try to, be present. I have not seen you since long. But yeah, great. So out of these 5 instruments, eyes and the brain will always be there with you. This is one of the reasons why you are not allowed to be under influence of hallucinogenic substances like alcohol, at least 12 hours before your flight because it can impair your brain. All right. And your brain is very important. 5 fundamental instruments that you need to have. A basic magnetic compass will always be there in your cockpit, along with all the advanced and high-tech instruments that we have. A stopwatch will always be there, a digital watch on the cockpit, but it is advisable you wear a wristwatch also, which is digital in nature. And brain and eyes, of course. That's why your eyesight is an important part of your medical examination. Now, why do we need a stopwatch? A stopwatch is required in case all your instruments fail in the aircraft. These will never fail. If you lose the aircraft power, these will never fail. If you lose the electric power in the aircraft, these will never fail. If you lose your engines, these will never fail. So these are standalone. That's why we call them standalone. Otherwise, every system is associated with each other. And mostly all the instruments get their power from a generator, which moves because of the engine power. And then we have APUs, which is not associated with engine, but they have limited capacity to give us power. Then there is something known as ram air turbines also, which if deployed, you can get enough electricity to use in emergency purposes. Still, we are not learning, we are not here to learn all that. This is just good to know information. Slowly you will learn, studying technical and other subjects. A stopwatch will help you determine, say, the pilot was aware that he was over a particular point on his route, looking at the chart. Without chart, he cannot analyze. Now his systems have failed. But he also knows that the last airspeed that he had kept was around 140 knots. Now his airspeed indicator has also failed. So what will he do? He will try to analyze, looking at the chart and the features of the chart, where he or she is. Then they will put a timer, all right, on the stopwatch, and then analyze, looking down visually along with the chart, how far have they traveled in how much time. That will help them determine their speed and their estimate time of arrival, or probably their present position compared to their earlier known position, so that they can analyze how many nautical miles are they off track. A stopwatch will help them analyze their speed and distance to go in case they are lost and other instruments are not working, especially communication systems when they are not working. Victor Tango Charlie Delta Golf, how do you read?
Mumbai Control, Victor Tango Charlie Delta Golf, Radio 5.
Great. So here we see that this charts, without charts, even these 4 instruments will not be helpful to us. And what are charts? Charts are your representation of the earth below you in terms of all the airports, your routes, your ATCs. That's about it. There is a difference between charts and maps. Maps show you the geographical features of a land below you or a part of a chart, showing you where do you have plateau regions, where do you have a mountain region, where do you have lakes, sea, and everything else quite in detail. On the other hand, charts, they don't show you geographical features much, but they show you other features which are important for your purpose. It could be a blueprint of a building under construction, that will be a chart. Or it could be the routes and the airports and the whole network of ATS, air traffic services. They are known as charts. All right. This is an important differentiation All these days we were calling them maps. Now we'll not refer to them as maps. Some people might do not debate, it's okay, but you'll refer to them as charts. Now I'm going to show you first, one by one, the important elements of your chart. And then we will go to the charts and check those elements directly. Is everybody with me so far? Let me know.
Affirm. Victor Tango Alpha November Sierra.
Affirm Victor Tango Sierra Victor Papa.
Wonderful.
Affirm Victor Tango Romeo.
Affirm Victor Tango Mike Alpha November.
I need some energy in your replies, okay? And one call sign, I could only hear Victor Tango Romeo and disappeared. Come on. I don't have a caller ID.
Victor Tango Charlie Delta Golf.
Amazing, amazing. Some people exactly sound
Victor
like
Tango
pilots.
Alpha Kilo.
Victor Tango Alpha Kilo Charlie, some energy. Come on. Come on, guys.
Affirm Victor Tango Alpha Kilo Charlie.
Very good.
Affirm Victor Tango Mike Alpha November.
A little
Affirm
more
Victor
energy,
Tango
all
Victor
right?
India Romeo.
Good, good. It should not seem to the ATC that
Affirm
the pilot
Victor
is
Tango Mike
sleepy.
November Romeo.
Yeah,
Affirm
yeah.
Victor Tango Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Very good. All right, nice. Good, 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 guys. Whenever you get a chance to speak, do not miss that. Be the first 5 to talk. All right. So the representatives of your airport where you have aerodrome, what is the symbol for that? That is the first symbol that we'll start looking at. All right. And then we'll connect the dots. And then later on, we'll jump onto the actual charts that you'll get in the examination. So important symbols. Number 1, aerodrome. With VOR. Now this VOR, guys, is a very important and a high-tech radio navigation system that helps with en route navigation, which means this VOR helps people to travel from departure to destination, but assist them in en route navigation. It means in your path. So if I have to cross Ahmedabad and Jaipur to fly from Mumbai to Delhi, then Ahmedabad and Jaipur will be my en route VORs in my route. All right. Now the second use of my VOR system is now this word terminal navigation means a point where you start from and a point where you end. So your departure and destinations are also enabled with VOR systems. Your VORs also help you with approach procedures. Approach procedures means when you are close to your destination aerodrome, you can use the VOR to accurately land on the airport and the runway, or a part of the procedure to approach or land at the runway. So approach can also be called as arrival procedures. And approach can be before arrival also. There are two aspects of approach. Approach doesn't mean land, but approach means approaching an airport, after which you will initiate your landing configurations. Sometimes you can use your VOR systems to for arrival also. All stations, Mumbai Control, how do you read?
Radio 2, Victor Tango, Victor India Romeo.
Well, everybody just disappeared.
Yeah, I can only see two participants.
Yeah, this is strange, right?
Yeah.
Unbelievable, huh? Just stand by.
Yeah.
Hello? Viral, what do you think happened?
See again.
What do you think just happened?
See again.
No, I'm saying, what do you think happened? Where is everyone?
They just disappeared. I thought it was my network issue. So I thought only two participants.
I have no clue. This has never happened before. It's like somebody hijacked the whole class.
Yeah.
Nobody is joining again, you know. Maybe they got separated and I'm missing and they all are live, you know, technical glitch. Maybe you and me are just here and they all are into some other session and they think that I'm going to join. Probably that's the situation. What we'll do is I'll end this meeting and I'll restart and let's see if somebody is waiting in the room. You also try to rejoin. All right?
Affirm.
All right.
Victor Tango, Victor India.
Good, good.